The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ingham County in south-central Michigan, Eaton County in south-central Michigan, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Potterville to 7 miles south of Eaton Rapids, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Additional severe thunderstorms were approaching Marshall and Albion, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansing, Charlotte, Mason, Eaton Rapids, East Lansing, Grand Ledge, Williamston, Potterville, Leslie, Stockbridge, Edgemont Park, Aurelius, Onondaga, Bunker Hill, Olivet, Brookfield, Weberville, Dimondale, Dansville, Eden. These storms have a history of producing severe wind damage and hail to 1 inch in diameter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.